today I'll be doing something really different. I am going to be playing as a noob, and also, as you can see, I'm using my voice. Well, I'm not using my voice, I'm talking. So, I'm doing this because some of you on my Instagram commented that you want to watch me play as a noob, and right now I am playing as a noob. So this will be a montage for you failure. And I hope I hope that I will do good. Comment down below if you think that I should if I should talk on my videos, in my videos. Just say no if you don't want me to, say yes if you do. And it looks like I'm doing pretty good. Okay. Okay, David again, are you serious? Okay. Man, this gun kills so slow. Is it possible to get 40 with this gun? That'd be really impressive. Okay, so the reason I chose Team Verse is because there will be noobs, and plus if I choose, what's it called? If I choose, oh god, ha, loser. If I double kill, okay, so back to the point. If I Digital Legends fix this migrating host problem. Okay, so the reason I chose Team Verse is because there will be noobs on Team Versus, and if I go to free for all, there will be pros. And if I play with pros, I would get seriously owned. And I do not want that to happen, because this is a noob video, or should I say a rookie machine gun montage. Okay, so someone's over there. See, as you can see, they're all noobs. Okay, oh god. Ooh, kill him. If I die... Aha! Aha, over here! Loser. Okay, let's get him, get a shot, get a shot. No way. Oh god. Kill him! Yes.